process, okay? I mean, that's the number one thing we are all here familiar with. Feeling, no matter how big the hole is, can you feel it? Okay? I don't care. I just want a feeling. It's cheap, it's easy, it's quick. What is your procedure or protocol as far as a filling goes?
So for filling, this all connects to whether you're going to make this choice between a crown and a filling. For me, I like to let my patient know what the proper thing here is, because if you get a filling and chomp down on it and break it when you should have had a crown, now we've endangered the tooth, and now the tooth may need to come out. So we want to make sure that when we do a filling, and I can show it to my patients, it's, you know, I put it on the screen, it's like a little dot, 1 millimeter dot of decay, and that's what I'm going to clean out in terms of putting a filling in. Sometimes they'll have a little decay or a brown spot or a spot that hooks with my Explorer and won't let me come out of it, and I need to clean that out. So when we do a filling, all I'm doing is removing the tissue that has been decayed. So it's decayed, it's softened, sometimes it's darkened, and we'll take that out and I'll fill it with a material that looks like a gel. And then we'll take a light and it hardens that gel. And in between, we do a little bit of something called bonding, where it's adhered to the side, which helps prevent things from getting in between those crevices. So filling is a really good option if we don't have a lot of breaks or huge decay.
So what happens if you have a huge decay and I just want to fill in?
Well, in that case, we want to talk about the consequences of what would happen if we don't do it correctly. And so if we, we'll tell you, okay, we're at risk, we're putting the tooth at risk of a big break. If that's the case, then we are just going to tell you, look, don't do it. It's going to be worse. Don't do a filling, do a crown.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, well then, what happens if the filling, or I guess the bad part of the tooth, is too big? Mm-hmm. Then what am I looking at? I mean,
so if it's so big that it surpasses even the need for a crown, then we're talking about doing an extraction.
Okay.
At that point.